Quarterfinals. Lakas ng amoy, amoy liniment ha. Aziz, cross-court pass. Natapik si Mante, it's gonna be out of bounds. Same ball po tayo. Aziz. Attacks. Hook shot, no. Nawala sa bola. Advances the ball. Two-pointer. Wala. Rebound, red. Basket. Yellow. Aziz. Rainbow pass. Sioson. Layup is good. Steps back for three. No. Rebound. G. Ito na mga nakadilaw. Sioson. Gawan. Navarro. Fakes it. Pasa kay Sioson. Reverse. It's good. Three-pointer kay Encho. No good. Ito na si Aziz. 4-on-3 situation. Gawan. Drops it over. Sioson again. Naipit. Aziz tries for a three. Pasa pala yun. Pinasa rin sa kabila. Navarro. Binalik kay Gawan. Pasa ilalim na tapik. Kabatu. Encho. Mante. Two-pointer is good. Aziz. Floater. Too much float. Encho. And there is a foul. Foul on number 8. Number 8, that's going to be your first personal, first team. Kabatu. Baseline pass. Same ball. Encho. Attacks. Drops it over. Mante. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Gawan. 3-on-2. Gawan. Attacks. Lays it up. And that is good for 2. Kabatu fadeaway is good. Three-pointer short. Retain ang yellow ang bola. Gawan. Binigay. Key. Layup. Gets blocked. One and number 2. That's it. Looking for his teammates. Layup is good. Aziz drives, floater is good. Kakashoot niya lang. Kakashoot sila. Charda. Kabatu. Goes for the drive, nawala ang bola. Binigay kay Navarro, binigay kay Sioson. Sioson advances the ball, nakuha ni Encho. Ito na si Encho. Encho attacks, lays it up, kaliwa, wala. Ito na si Gawa, 2-on-1 situation. Pull up J is good. Under 5 minutes remaining. Manse, Chardan, Kabatu, Encho, fakes. Pull up J. Wala. Rebound Manse, follow up. Bigay pala yun, and that is good. Timeout! Yellow. Bola po ng yellow. Inbound po, yellow. Depensa po ang pula. Three-pointer. Wala. Kaninong bola? It's gonna be same ball. That's gonna be a kickball. That's a turnover. Gives it over to Ilalim. Goes for the spin, but gets fouled. So we have foul on number 7. That's going to be into the hand, 2 shots. Number 7 is going to be your first personal, second team foul. First free throw is short. Second try is good. Good pass. Easy basket para kay number 2. Encho. Attack. Gets the basket plus the foul. Basket count. Foul on number 1. That is a hit to the hand bonus shot. Number 1, that's going to be your first personal. Third team foul. Chance for a 3-point play. Does it make it? Rebound, yellow. Gawa. Three-pointer. No. Rebound, Manse. Advances the ball. Encho. Layup. Is good. Three-pointer, wala. Rebound, Red. 61 gives it over to Chardan. Chardan gives to Encho. Reverse, it's good. Two minutes para sa ating first quarter. Nawala ang bola. get that. That's going to be out of bounds. Bola po ng mga kapula. Manse, di nagsasayang ng oras. Encho goes for the shot, gets the basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul on number 7, 8. That is a push, bonus shot. Number 8, that's going to be your second personal, 14 foul, warning for penalty. Rebound number 8, gives it over to Guy. Bigay, Sioson, nagulat lang. That is a traveling. Gives it over to Manse. Returns it back. Chardon, layup, gets fouled. Foul on number 2. That is a hit to the head. 2 shots. Number 2, that's going to be your first personal 15 foul penalty. First attempt. All iron. Second throw is good. Aziz. 3-pointer. Wala pa rin. Rebound Encho. 40 seconds. Encho gives it over. Chardon. Fancy pass. Nawala ang bola. Napunta kay Aziz. Aziz. Tumingin pa sa likod. Stops. Tries a 3-pointer. Wala pa rin. Rebound Gawan. Easy 2. Wala na pa tayong shot clock. 12 seconds. 8. 3-pointer is good. And that is your first quarter. Yellow ball. Guy gives it over. Aziz, another 3-pointer. This time it's good for 3. Encho hesitates, still stick it. No, Nashon follow up. Too strong. Rebound Manse gives to number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. 2-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Kabatu. Pass sa ilalim. Nagulat lang. Pero that's a turnover. Gawan. Guy. Gives over Navarro. Pass sa ilalim. Sioson. Basket. Entry pass. Kabatu. Fancy move. Gets his own rebound. Follow-up shot. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin natapat with a pick. And there is a foul. Foul on number 7. That is a hit to the hand. 2 shots. Number 7, that's going to be your second personal, first team foul. First attempt is short. Makes the adjustment. Ito na ulit ang mga naka-yellow. Gawa, crossover, gives it over to Navarro. Balik kay Sioson, hindi lang nakontrol ang bola. Nato na si Encho. Encho layup is good. Aziz for three. Short, rebound, Sioson. Two-pointer again. Wala pa rin. Goes for the shot. And that is a turnover. Two-pointer din sa kabila. Short, Navarro with a rebound. Aziz bringing down the ball. Aziz. Another three-pointer. Wala. Rebound, Manse. Manse pushes the base, gives it over. Nashon with a layup and gets fouled. Foul on number one. That is a push. Two shots. Number one, that's going to be your second personal, second team foul. Dalawa lang naman talaga yan. Lawa mo naman kami sir. Wala pa. Ayan na. Sige, kahit isa lang. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Navarro. Here comes Gawan. Bisado naman sila eh. Lima lang kasi. Gawan. Attacks. Lays it up. Shot nga lang. Rebound Manse. Manse nagmamadali. 3-on-2 situation. Gives it over to Encho. Encho. Fadeaway jumper. Wala. Manse with the board. Goes for the follow-up. And gets fouled. Foul on number one. That is a hit to the hand. Two shots. Substitution rep. Takin tayo sir. Takin. Number one, that's going to be your third personal, third team. First attempt is a miss. Second attempt, wala pa rin. Ito na si Navarro, gives it over to Gawan. Gawan. Gives it to Marvin. Entry pass, natabik, nakuha, pero line ball muna, and out of bounds. Nakasab lang eh. Gives it over. Gawa, two-pointer. No. Rebound, Manse. Here comes the three red shirts. Kabatu. Layup is good. Timeout! Yellow. Defense po ang red. Inbound po, yellow. Kabatu. 2-pointer. No. Rebound Aziz. 4 yellow shirts. Sa kanya ulit. Wala pa rin. Pasa pa rin pala yun. Ito na. Maste. Basket. Gives it over to Gawan. Gawan attacks, uses the glass, gets his own rebound. Hindi pala. Encho na nandun na. Mante. Muntik ng maabot. Substitution. Three-pointer short. Sioson with the rebound. Attacks. Drops it over. Bilang nasa lo. 10 seconds to shoot. Ang daming niligtas. Ito na si Manse. Manse. Breakaway layup is good. Gee. Drops it over. Gawan uses the glass for 2. Euro step, may halong oy with the basket. Marvin. Sioson, walang pass it over to Nacion. Gives to Encho, 3-on-1 situation. Manse fakes it, uses the glass. That's good. Marvin, pass sa ilalim. Hindi lang na-control ni Sioson. That is a turnover. Uses the glass, wala. Manse with a follow-up. That is good. Ito na Marvin. Layup. Wala. Kanino ang bola? Sioson. Tough shot. That is still good. Under 3 minutes remaining para sa ating second quarter. Nacion. Medyo nagulat ng serve, but that is a traveling. Marvin drives, pass sa ilalim, Sioson again, but gets foul. Foul number 61. That is a hit to the hand, 2 shots. Ay, basket ba? Basket. Atoy, ay ka lang. 2 shots. Akala ko may nakikita na akong hindi ka nakikita eh. Atoy talaga. First free throw is good. Second attempt, wala. Ito na si Kabatu. Gives to Chandan. Pull up Jay. Wala. Rebound Marvin. Marvin advances the ball. Naagaw ni Nacion. Nacion. Binigay kay Kabatu. Kabatu, one-hander is good. Hanggat walang napipigtas. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound Manse. Manse nagmamadali. Naagaw. Ito na si Marvin. 4 na nakadilaw. Stops for a 3. Pasa pala yun, lagi na lang ganon. For 2. Manse, 3-pointer. Is good. Layup is good. Three-pointer, wala. Rebound Navarro. Ito na si Guy. Walang bumaba. Siya lang. Guy for 3. Basket is good. Under 40 seconds remaining. Shoot, 3-pointer. Medyo nalunod. 18 seconds remaining. Ito na si Gawan. May oras pa Gawan. Good yan. 10 seconds. Shardan for 3. Wala. 1 second. And that is your first down. Sioson gives it over to Guy. Layup, too strong. Follow up, malalim. Follow up again. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Encio. Jordan tries to get a steal. Last touch. Red ball. Jordan for 2. Wala. Rebound, Aziz. Aziz. Layup, no. Encho. Layup is good. Another attempt. Wala pa rin. Encho. Too much passing. Yellow pa rin ang bola. Kinasa sa 3. Wala. Rebound number 2. Gets defended, rebound number 9. Chardan, layup, too strong. Two-pointer, wala pa rin, rebound Mendoza. Encho for 3, basket. Aziz, two-pointer, uses the glass for 2. Left open, binigay pa rin. Takes the shot, basket. Marvin, bad pass. Ito na ulit mga nakapula. Chardan gives to Encho for 2. Wala pa rin. Si Oson, attack. Lays it up. Wala pa rin. Mendoza with a board. Ito na si Chardan. Looking at the clock. Aziz with the board. Top shot. Encho. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Marvin. Tatlong nakadilaw. Basket. Runner, wala pa rin. Encho with a board. Takes the jumper, no. Fade away is good. G. Substitution. Gawan attacks, drops it over, seals on two-pointer. It's good. Entry pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Three-pointer is good. Intercepted. Manse. Layup is good. Nawala ang bola. Nagkatapikan. Kanino? Kay Encio. Bawal po ang drugs dito, sir. Basket. Sabihin mo pa sa tayo nagtatawag ng sa mga elemento. Two-pointer para kay Sioson. Naagawan ni Marvin. Naku po, sarili buhay yung bola. Takes a three-pointer. Kung tingnan tumama. Aziz. Kinasan na naman sa labas. Wala. Rebound Shardan. Under a minute remaining. Nacion, two-pointer. Too strong. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuha ni Key. Wala na tayong shot clock. Gawan. Naagawan. Si Gawan. Basket. 10 seconds remaining. For three. And that is your third quarter. Number 9, two-pointer is good. Sa kabila sila. Three-pointer, wala pa rin. Same ball. Sioson with the rebound. Same spot, same result for 2. Two-pointer. Three-pointer, wala. Rebound, Aziz. Follow-up is good. Kaninong chikiting yan? Rebound number 9. Ito na si Kabato. Kabato. Ay, dunk pala yun. Pati kami nagulat ah. Advances the ball. Nakuha ni Encho. Encho gives it over. Manse. Balik kay Encho. Too much bomba. Basket. Gee. Walang control sa bola. Gives it over to Sioson. Power move. Gets foul. Foul on number 61. That is a 8.5. 2 shots. Number 61. That's going to be your second personal, first team foul. First attempt is good. And there's another foul. Foul on number 61. First attempt is good. Gets his own rebound. Gawan, layup is good. Basket. Basket naman sa kabila. Ay, Kabato. Ito na si Nacion. Crossover. Nacion. Layup. Wala. Rebound Encho. That's good. Easy ka lang. Aziz. Substitution. Ang batang hindi tumatanda. Encho gives it over. Manse, tough shot, gets his follow-up. That's good for 2. Aziz layup is good. Nacion gives to Cobato. Nacion, 10 seconds to shoot. Step back 3. Rebound Aziz. Manse for 2. Marvin, layup, wala, rebound, Shardan, gives it over, basket, timeout, yellow. Aziz kicks it out. Gawan, layup. Gets his own rebound. Gee for 3. Wala. Rebound Kabatu. Advances the ball. Encho layup is good. Three-pointer. Wala. Layup. Wala pa rin. Under 3 minutes remaining, Manse tries for a 3. No, Encho with the rebound. Gets still the rebound. Kicks it out, Manse. Uses the glass. Voila. Three-pointer. Gawan with the rebound. Kicks it out. Aziz for 2. Basket. Aziz layup again for 2. Encho. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound Marvine. Okay, sa ilalim. Gawan. Basket again. Marvin, all alone. English is too strong. Binigay guy, Encho drops it over. Cavado uses the glass. Timeout! Yellow. Lays it up. No. Pinas sa kawalan. Marvin. Wow. Red with the steal. Encho. Over to Shatan. Too strong. Ano ba yan? Sabi ni coach. 2-pointer. Wala pa rin. Marvin with a rebound. Gives it out to Guy. Tries a 3. Wala pa rin. Under 50 seconds remaining. Manse stops and pops. No. Rebound, Encho. Player of the game talaga. Official score 101-61. Aziz. Ginigyan na lang ang depensa. That's gonna be red ball. Seconds. Marvin. Top board.